Ah. All right. Get that camera down low here. Trying to learn from you because I watch your videos, and I think the GoPro's got a little tighter focal length, or you just put your camera a lot closer than I do.
Sometimes, but I think it does. I think it's a little bit closer than the DJI.
Yeah.
You can't see anything right now because y'all get in front. That bright light is probably ruining y'all's picture. Everybody's getting suntan right now. I'm like, oh yeah, drove the truck before now. He's blinding the mess out of us. You can't get what man to get right.
Oh, nice little slide it did there.
I can't remember driving this truck. I think I know I have, but I can't remember.
Perfect. Kind of missed the tip of that roll.
Wow, look at that rear tire. It just is like folding up. Good traction on here today. I think that rain's helped
That's predator
in the dirt.
Clean some of that pollen off the rock.
I think I stuck in the back axle.
There it goes. Nice and smooth. Come around here for the dismount.
I got bumper. So I already know I need my real handicap rock now.
Of course, Bud Man is going for it.
It's gonna do the hard stuff.
First one. Tires muddy. Not happy. All that spinning and tires down there, I was thinking to myself, yeah, you're getting them back tires nice.
Oh.
Did I go too far, Rick?
Yeah. Oh, stop.
Fit no more because I had to move it forward to make it look better.
Turn left, turn left. Never shot it from this angle.
I've got to trust that tire.
There it goes.
Straight axle issues.
Oh. Yeah, articulation. Nice articulation. Not to fall.
I seen Jesus.
I was falling a long time.
I seen it.
What was that?
I was falling down a long
Oh, you were
time.
falling?
Yeah.
I think Brad was learning ballet over there. Did you take the bumpers off of that, or the bumpers always on?
I took them off. Front one was already broke, and the rear one just kept hanging on everything. So I've got some metal bumpers that are going to be fabbed up for me.
Yeah, super scale stock bumpers on the front and the back.
Yeah, the ones that came with the body.
Yeah, they looked awesome.
Well, the rear one was a 3D print, so... Oh, let me get over here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm not in a good spot. Oh, that's so much better than last time.
That was perfect, actually.
Whoop.
Keep it going. As soon as that back wheel hit, it's going to drop it down.
Oh, should I turn left?
Wheel hit. Yep. No, right.
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 Oh, there it goes. I got you. Yeah. That was a lot better than last time. Let me come back around over there, too.
Yeah, you look good. You just got to come off a little to the right.
Yeah, sometimes I turn the steering the wrong way, and it makes the body flip where... Still got a lot to learn. Woo-wee. Ah, come on, you can do that, can you? Nope, maybe not. I'll just go over this way.
That's I'm gonna get a hot date. And that truck looks good. I gotta get me a hard body. It's happening.
I think you need to get Budman to put some weathering on the interior.
I like my interiors clean. Only restored the interior. The way I found it underwater.
Yeah, you just clear coated the outside. That was it.
Yeah, drop that thing off.
Yeah, a little bit, but I had confidence in you. You were gonna rub your way out of that.
Oof.
Don't
I
put
wasn't
those
even
rocks
try
right
this
there.
area here.
Hmm.
I might as well.
We're gonna try.
Let's see what happens.
You can do it. Yeah, that leaf spring's gonna help it float the front end over. What's gonna happen?
If I can get it on that rock.
Oh, I think. Come my way there more and then turn back into it. There you go. Now turn back into it. There you go. Oh, trust the lean.
Not on leaf springs.
Trust the lean.
Not on leaf springs.
It's coming down.
That back tire's gonna hit.
Oh.
Oh. Fell off. We're gonna take a second run at this. We think he got it. It's just gotta be finessed. Oh.
Hmm.
We got a little lean action rolling.
Hmm.
Oh, too much lean back the other way. Hey. There you go. There you go.
Get that tire on there. Oh no.
Challenges at the
Trying a new one.
Just gotta get that tire on.
You talking about still go over the
Oh,
road?
well, whatever.
I was just gonna come through this.
Oh, this is cool too. Your lights are lighting up the little chasm you're in. Rock chasm.
I was getting ready to pick that rock up right there. You're getting ready to run over and stick it over there. And
Yeah.
I think you were going to run up it.
Oof. Just making all kinds of old truck noises. Pivot. Nice pivot on that rock.
Almost like it was.
Yeah.
I need to keep that rock with me.
For U-turns.
Oof.
For a Toyota, they don't turn around real well.
Well, I'm just glad I made it through this section.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch Kevin Hart Road. Get a pizza or do something.
It was pretty good. One of the best roasts I've seen.
I like the
Oh, wait a minute.
what was the football player's name?
Cameraman's got to move.
Basketball?
No, the football player guy that got roasted on Netflix the first time. I can't think of his name.
He came too.
Yeah.
One of the Mannings, wasn't it?
No, it ain't Peyton Manning. It's the other fancy fancy one.
Yeah.
The GOAT. They called him.
Oh, yeah.
Tom Brady.
Tom Brady. Yeah. Man, home chick got up there and killed it. That is one of the funniest girls ever.
Which one?
No,
Cheryl Underwood?
the little skinny girl. The
Sure.
little blonde that's kind of cute.
Cheryl Underwood from The View. She killed it this year.
Yeah.
She got a standing ovation.
Home chick got up there and when she told the joke at the end, she was like, Tom Brady, if you tell him that he can't do something, not only he'll do it better than anybody else ever has. And she came back, Tom Brady, you can't make me. Fill in the blank. I was weak as mess. Trying to keep.
Oh, man, look at that. Oh,
So you
look at that.
Nikki Glazer.
Yeah, she didn't come this year.
Oh, she didn't come this year. Oh, and then of course I always like Ross. He's the roast man.
And then Chelsea lately. Well, I
Wow.
guess she got a new name. She do pretty good. She did pretty
that short rear overhang really helped you there.
No, I couldn't believe
Didn't
that.
drag or nothing.
They squashed their little beef.
Alright, this is what I want to see. Then I'm leaving. Still on stock tires.
Aftermarket wheels.
Aftermarket wheels.
Aftermarket inserts.
You got 3D inserts?
Silicone.
I already got them. I got inserts at the house. What axles are in it? Is it a new axle or the same on that?
I think it's 44 P's, 45 P's.
Put some brass in that. Put some brass on the wheels. I can already see it coming together. Yeah, I'll turn it. Sorry about the
Mm.
I guess I should have been directing. I was just watching.
Enjoying.
Yeah, enjoying it.
That's why I'm on.
Yeah.
Come my way.
Man, look at that.
Back up. getting things up. Sometimes some wheels don't have the wheelbase. They got to bump it right there. Now back up onto it, and then right before you hit a bump.
Wow.
Some of them you just got to bump. But once they get the bump, they go right up. My way.
We're gonna miss
Big
the
time,
spot
man.
when Bub.
Chad just rolling through this.
And other than that, this is about.
Gear, or is that just a whole gear?
This thing is about 80% stop, maybe 75%.
Very
He
impressive.
has a motor also.
Really impressive. Wow.
Give it a little burst.
Chad's got the moves.